Welcome to my Halloween series 2020. I told you I would pull something out of the bag and create some Halloween makeup looks for you guys. I suppose this isn't really a Halloween makeup look, but in my previous Halloween series in the past 2 years, I have done body painting, I've done dress up, I've done, what's the word? Starts with a C. Cosplay, that's the word. I've done cosplay, and so for today's video I am transforming myself into Mulan. Now I know there's a brand new Mulan video come out and I haven't seen it, but everybody says that it's terrible, so I decided to create the cartoon character Mulan, and specifically from the scene where she was all dressed up with makeup and stuff to go meet the matchmaker. I really wish that I could play Mulan soundtracks, and especially over the montage part of this video, but you know, I don't want to get demonetized, so you can enjoy the non-copyright music. This is a very simple and easy look to create. Like, it took a bit of time, but it was just mostly because I'm really slow and I have to really look at pictures in order to recreate a makeup look. I'm gonna leave photos up here of the inspiration photos that I used to create this look. It's probably not exactly like the makeup look because she has like a waistband and then a skirt, but I'm only painted up to my waist here, so so you can enjoy from like this part up. Also, I don't have the really long sleeves, but I just painted on some cuffs. I just used a mixture of water-based body paints. This is from the brand Montmartre Face and Body Professional. It's really easy to use because they are water-based. It's easy to mix the colors. I mixed a lot of these colors. So yeah, anyway, it's not a tutorial. If anything, it's just for you guys' entertainment. I had a lot of fun creating this look, and hopefully I've got some good photos of it too. I'm really struggling with my camera settings, so if you have any characters that you would like me to paint and create, leave them in the comment section down below. By the way, if you're new here, hi, my name is Judy. I create videos about makeup, lifestyle, sometimes a few vlogs here and there, and I would really love it if you join the Kikay family. Hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it. So without further ado, as you can see, I didn't paint the back of my arms. Without further ado, I'm gonna get straight into this video.
One eternity later.
We just started.
That's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I had a lot of fun creating this look, and hopefully I'm able to edit it in a very interesting way. It was incredibly easy to create this look. I was surprised at how well it came together and how much like the photo I look like my face part anyway. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Hopefully I got some good photos. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave some comments down below what character you would like to see me body paint. It has to be body paintable, and I would really prefer not to use prosthetics because I'm not any good at SFX. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Give the video a thumbs up if you did like it. Thanks so much for watching. I really truly appreciate you've chosen to spend your time here with me today. I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.